In today's video, I'll show you how to make cute little foil-wrapped chocolate egg ornaments. This easy DIY captures the shiny, textured look of classic foil-wrapped chocolates.
Welcome, my pretties, to the Awfully Sweet channel.
For the base of the ornaments, I'm using a 12-pack of mini egg ornaments that I found at my local Dollarama. They're white with tiny orange flowers. The first thing I want to do is cover the flowers with gesso. You could also use white acrylic paint if you prefer. I applied 3 to 4 coats to fully hide the floral design. I then use silver metallic tissue paper. I'm cutting 12 small rectangles, one for each ornament. Using a small paintbrush, I apply Mod Podge to the entire surface of each egg. Then I take one piece of tissue paper and carefully wrap it around the egg. I start by placing one corner near the top, close to the hanging loop, then bring the opposite corner over it. I fold in the remaining 2 corners to cover the sides, gently pressing the paper in place and smoothing it out as I go. I make sure the tissue reaches right up to the hanging loop so no gaps are left uncovered. I glue down each section with Mod Podge while wrapping, and once everything is positioned neatly, I seal the entire surface with one final coat. I repeat this process for all 12 eggs. Next, I select 12 metallic acrylic paint colors, each one inspired by the soft, cheerful tones of Easter, so that every egg has its own unique hue. I apply 2 coats of paint per egg. I begin with the top half, then insert a sewing pin into the knot of the hanging loop to hold the egg upright while I paint the bottom half without smudging it. Once the paint is dry, I seal each ornament with a final layer of Mod Podge. I should have shown this earlier, but I used 2 rulers laid across the top of a box to suspend the eggs while they dry. This keeps them from touching any surfaces between coats. Finally, I remove the pins from the hanging loops. And this completes the foil-wrapped chocolate egg ornaments. They are ready to hang on your Easter tree. I hope that you liked this tutorial and that you feel inspired to make your own. If you made it this far and enjoy seasonal DIYs, please be sweet and leave me a little treat by clicking on my pumpkin pail to subscribe to the Awfully Sweet channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification to know when a new video comes up. There is always enough room on my broom for another crafty ghoul. Thank you for hanging out with me. Have a fabulous day. Bye.